Welcome. My name is Manoj Joshi, and I will be your guide for this deep, relaxing meditation. This meditation is for you, just you. No notifications, no deadlines, no pressure. For the next 10 minutes, you have nowhere to be, nothing to prove, no one to impress. Just you resting. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever feels good. If you want to close your eyes, go ahead. If you prefer to keep them half open, that is also fine. Let everything from today settle. The classes, the conversations, the screens, the noise. You do not need to process any of it right now. Just let it all sit quietly while you rest. When you are ready, we will begin. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it go through your mouth. Again, breathe in slowly and breathe out. One more time, a nice deep breath in and a long slow exhale. Now just let the breath flow at its own pace, no need to control it. Your sankalpa is, I am enough exactly as I am. I do not need to earn my worth. I already have it. I am enough exactly as I am. Let that settle in, your truth. Now bring your attention to the body. Just notice each part as I name it. Become aware of the right hand. Right hand thumb. Right index finger. Right middle finger. Right ring finger. Right little finger. The palm of the right hand. The back of the right hand. Awareness in the right wrist. The right forearm relaxing. The right elbow softening. The right upper arm letting go. The right shoulder releasing. Become aware of the left hand. Left hand thumb. Left index finger. Left middle finger. Left ring finger. Left little finger. The palm of the left hand. The back of the left hand. Awareness in the left wrist, the left forearm relaxing, the left elbow softening, the left upper arm letting go, the left shoulder releasing, both shoulders relaxing, melting down. Become aware of the right foot, right big toe, right second toe, right third toe, right fourth toe, right little toe, the sole of the right foot, the top of the right foot, awareness in the right ankle, the right calf muscle relaxing, the right knee softening, the right thigh heavy and relaxed, the right hip letting go, become aware of the left foot, left big toe, left second toe, left third toe, left fourth toe, left little toe, the sole of the left foot, the top of the left foot, awareness in the left ankle, the left calf muscle relaxing, the left knee softening, the left thigh heavy and relaxed, the left hip letting go, both hips relaxing, letting go, the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the shoulder blades, now the front of the body. The belly, the stomach, the chest, the neck, the throat, the jaw softening, the cheeks, the eyes, the forehead, the top of the head, the whole body together, resting, breathing, still. Now imagine that you are sitting outside somewhere quiet. Maybe it is a hillside looking out over the bay, the water shimmering in the distance. Maybe it is a trail in the redwoods, tall trees all around you, soft ground beneath you. Or maybe it is just a quiet rooftop at sunset, with the sky turning golden. Wherever feels peaceful, that is your place. In this place, there's no phone buzzing, no group chat, no algorithm deciding what you should see next. Just the sky, just the air, just you. Notice how your body feels here, maybe lighter, maybe warmer, maybe just quiet. There is nothing to optimize here, nothing to achieve, no grade, no rank, no followers. You are not falling behind. You are not missing out. You are exactly where you need to be. This feeling is always available to you. In a single breath, you can return here. Between classes, before a test, late at night when everything feels like too much. One breath, and you are back in your peaceful place. Return to your intention. I am enough exactly as I am. I do not need to earn my worth, I already have it. Say it once more to yourself, quietly, with confidence. Now gently begin to notice the room around you, the sounds nearby, the surface beneath you. Take a slightly deeper breath. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. If you want to stretch, go for it. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You just gave yourself 15 minutes of real rest. That matters. Carry this calm with you.